So this is where we just come back from, and I'm doing it in reverse because it was all in Welsh and I couldn't pronounce some of the words. Looks like the path has been damaged. We're in the waterfall country, and there used to be a path along here. It's been worn away. Now it's a bit awkward. To be something, some sort of structure here which has disappeared. Now it's climbing over these rocks. So, all good fun. We've got Jill going up this way and Jackie going that way. Jules made it. You wasn't expecting to have to do this today. Quite good fun, I will say.
Hello, quite easy to go that way.
It's easy once you get past that bit.
It's quite wet that way.
We made it. These couple, I don't think they're coming up this way. Still back on the normal path. I don't know whether it's been washed away this year for all of bad weather, or it's been like that for a while. You can see in places the path has gone, not as wide as that bit. So, a nice little bit of adventure. There's a lot of people rock climbing around here. There's some brilliant flat surfaces. What have we got here? Maybe a cave. Nope. Just a big overhang.
Oh no.
Found the cave. I wouldn't fit in there. There's a tin can in there though. So the colour of that water. On top of the waterfall. And what have we got? We found a mine. And I brought the torch. You bring your torch still? Oh dear. Roll the torch. And how far it goes in? Can't even tell. If I had a brighter torch, if you're alright. If I had a brighter torch.
Looks like it goes on. Is that a brick wall there or?
No, well I can't see. But the floor looks quite alright to walk on. I would say man-made, wouldn't you?
I wondered if it goes through, right through and come out.
Well, it keeps on going. That's for sure. It keeps on going. So, I don't know. What?
Oh, I thought.
Me?
It's you, is it?
What?
It looks as though it's lit up by there.
You think it's light?
Yeah.
No, it's coming in from inside, from the entrance. So I need a brighter light next time. A lot brighter. Still another unexpected find. Thought it'd be a nice easy walk. And we had to climb up cliffs. And we found a tunnel. Certainly man-made. To a point, I guess. Well, I think it goes in. So there we go. Now the rest is going to be pretty straightforward. Oh, well, this doesn't look like a brilliant path. Oh, in that case it's ideal. We've left the river down. We're coming up the side of a valley now. Slowly heading upwards. I'm not quite sure where we are. Or the names of the places, they're all in Welsh. And I'm not very good at saying those things. But we're in the Brecon Beacons, in an area known as the Waterfall country. And we've just been to one of the less visited ones, I would say. The other ones, you could go on a circular walk and pretty much pick up all of them. It takes 5 hours. But this one is one off on its own, and with that bit of a climb, probably less people can see it. As you can see, I'm on a prey. Just spin you around. And we are coming up. Down there's the river. Oh. And another, a little of the waterfall. So if I know where I'm going, we should be up over these hills, get to a little village along a country lane, and then come back on the other side of that hill, down another valley, and that'll be it. But in the meantime, we'll probably be looking for somewhere to have lunch. Somewhere with a view out of the wind. Now, surprisingly, we've come down closer to the river again. And even more surprisingly, I'm in the front. It's really nice just to get out. A little walk, listen to the birds. Wonder why they are so far behind. Climbing up another hill. How'd you end up down there? As you can see, we're going up the side of a hill, diagonally. Diag centre. Hey? No. The path is slowly going up. As with for a lot of these places we go to, we tend to try and go where less people are. And this path that we've been following just disappeared. And now we're in some valley. We roughly know where we are because there's a major road just up on the hill, which you can hear. But they seem to be going, they're not following me as usual, and they're going off in a different direction. Okay, a quick update. As soon as we sat down for lunch, it started to rain. We had thunderstorm. It poured. Luckily, it stopped now. We couldn't find our way out of the valley. We now have to retrace our tracks back. The only way out of the valley was either up a motorway, which wouldn't be a good idea, or climb over some fences and into just some fields, and that would be trespassing. So right at the beginning, towards the beginning of the track, there was where that tunnel was, there was another path. So we're heading back to there and we'll see where that leads. I say it's the first time in this valley, so don't expect this for a while. And when I get back to the car, I can look up them, at least let them really name the valley or the river. Still better to be out in walking than sitting at home watching telly, isn't it, Jill? Yeah. Yeah.
I'm dry.
Yeah, I'm dry. They're both bought new walking trousers, which I believe are Gore-Tex. They got zips and buttons all up the side, so they're easy to put on. Here we go. Hope we go out of the valley eventually. This is the path we were looking for, but from the other direction, and we ended up going back down the river, as I said, and then we came up this way, all the way up to the top there, and so the next time we'll know which way to go, you know, because this is the whole, apart from the touristy bits where all the big waterfalls are, this place is full of rivers, lots of places to explore. And now we're heading down the valley to where those houses are. I don't know if you can see that in the distance. And that's where the car is. So it's a good hour and a half walk back down. This should be all fairly straightforward since we know where we're going. And it stopped raining. It's not very windy. So that's brilliant. Oh, and the battery's running out. Right now, Jill just fell in the river. It's the shoes you got. Well, we tried. We've been off adventuring again, lost our original plan, and now we plan to cross this little stream. Should be a laugh. The only thing we know for certain is Jill's going to get on. Shaggy's doing a quick reenactment. And don't fall over. Okay.
You're falling in then.
So it was up to Jill's, well, near calves.
Do you see my leg?
Oh yeah, video
A lump on my leg.
where she fell. Keep your legs still. Put your leg down. Put your leg down. No, put your leg down. There. You'll expect it when it's there. Jill's big lump. Cool. It looks like another kneecap. That was fun. It's all fun. We gave up trying to cross. We were on the other side of the river, and we couldn't find a path. There was a sty. And you think across a sty at least somewhere, but it didn't. So we ended up coming across the river in the shallowest bit I could find. Surprising, my feet didn't get wet straight away. You know, the water, they stayed waterproof. I threw my trousers for a good 30 seconds. I got some clean socks and shoes back in the car. And it's all good practice. And the man always guarantee a lovely sunny day when you're bugging out or in some emergency. So Now I shall experience what it's like walking with soaking feet. This won't be the first time. And it's not cold, they feel quite warm. Trouble is, my shoes are waterproof, so they're not going to let the water out.
Mine are, look.
The shoes are not waterproof when you dunk in water.
I know, but if there's water inside them, it's not going to come out, is it?
Well,
So there you go. Probably not a long video because I'm too busy having fun. And we're back to the Angel pub. Looks like a very nice place. We've never been in there. We never get to have a drink because I'm always driving. And lately now I can't drink because we're taking hay fever. So I treat every walk as if it's a bug out situation, so see how long I can keep going in whatever conditions. And today we got soaking wet, we climbed up a rock face, we forded a river, and now we're back to the car. And I'll be glad to take these boots off because I think they're full of water.